Hello everyone, my name is Aryanggala Prasetyo with name 19 200 251. In video, I want to presentation about cultural tourism. So, please attention and keep silent. Cultural tourism is the one type of tourism activity where the motivation of tourists to travel is to know, feel from an attraction and production in tourist destination in the form art, architecture, historical, cultural heritage, culinary heritage, literature, music, creative and cultural industry, language, lifestyle, value system, belief, religion, and tradition. So, I will give an example of five cultural destinations in Indonesia and offers. See, the first is what I recommended most to foreign tourists, namely the village Panglipuran. Panglipuran is the one of traditional village of Bali, Indonesia. The village is famous on the tourism destination in Bali because the people still carry out and preserve tradition and Balinese. Uh, the architecture of building follow the concept of Trihita Karana, which mean include relation with fellow human, relationship with the natural surrounding, and relationship with God, and they are in the relate with each other. In the village, and cultivation is strongly influenced by Trimandala. According to the Trimandala concept, land is divided into three zones according to its sacred value. The first is Utama Mandala. It's the most sacred place in the most north. This place contains the place of prayer gods called Pura, and it used to pray gods Brahma and Vishnu. The second is Madhya Mandala. It's the zone of for human. Here the people Panglipuran village will live with their family in the building unit called the yard. The third, Nista Mandala, is in a southernmost zone and is considered the most impure zone. This zone contains Pasetan Prajapati Temple, village graveyard, graveyard temple, and Dalam Temple or place of worship Lord Shiva. The second place is Yogyakarta village. Is officially palace and Yogyakarta Hadiningrat Sultanate, which is now located in the city Yogyakarta, especially region of Yogyakarta. Karaton is a complex of cultural activity and residence of Sri Sultan Hamengkubuwono and his family. The shape of building is influenced by models from Portuguese, Dutch, and China. The architecture of the palace was designed by Sri Sultan Hamengkubuwono I and the founder of the Yogyakarta Nagidiningrat Sultanate. The Yogyakarta Carton consists the three parts consisting of the front complex, the core complex, and the behind complex. In addition to palace area, the palace area also has a potential for site building and historical place, and the place area was built by Sultan Hamengkubuwono I with special concept, the content, physiology, and recruitment of four meaning. The third is Ratangaro traditional village. Ratangaro traditional village is the southwest Sumba, is Nusa Tenggara. This village is one of the oldest villages in the land is Nusa Tenggara in the megalithic era. The main belief of of the Ratanagaro village community is Marapu, namely the worship architecture, which is still a tradition. This tradition affected the shape of the house they live in. The people house are still housed with towering roof towers. The towering roof towers symbol social status and also form of respect for the spirit of the ancestor. So that house apart from being the place to live also function means worship. There are four special houses that are very sacred to local population, namely Umakatode Katoku, Umakalama, Umakatode Kuri, and Umakatode Amahu. The position the house the representative of the cardinal direction and are located opposite each other, and there also 1304 old stone pieces even come from megalithic era 4,500 years ago. The fourth is in the capital city of Jakarta, namely Taman Mini Indonesia Indah. Taman Mini Indonesia Indah is Indonesian cultural theme tourist park located East Jakarta, the special capital region of Yogyakarta. Jakarta. Here, you will see the diversity of Indonesia contained in one large area. This park is summary of culture of Indonesia nation, which include various aspects of daily life of people 30 province of Indonesia. And then you can find 33 traditional house in every province Indonesia and various religion in Indonesia. For Kyoto, 5, Kyoto Imperial Palace used to be resident of Japan. Imperial Palace until 100 uh, 1868. When the emperor and capacity were moved from Kyoto to Tokyo, is located in the special Kyoto Imperial Park, an attractive park in the center of the city that also encompasses the Sento Imperial Palace and few other attractions. The complex is enclosed by long walls and consists of several gates, halls, and gardens. The environment ceremony Emperors Taiso and Showa were still held in the place main hall. Tokyo Imperial Place is now used for enthronement ceremony. So cultural tourism is important for various reason. So I will explain to you five the reason. First, the economic and social impact, because by the income created by cultural tourism business and supporting business, there is an increase in local production. The cultural tourism activity connect with other brands of economy, and then cultural tourism lead to better overall infrastructure and living everyone, not only for tourists but also for host community. Second, give the destination and identity. They attract interest and people which again help to mark local production. In general, cultural tourism help to establish and reinforce an identity. Third, cultural tourism help preserve the cultural and historical heritage. Tourism make an important contribution to culture and historical heritage by providing means for keeping the traditional alive, finance the protection of heritage, and increase visitor appreciation of the heritage. Fourth, give a few to reason about how a cultural tourism destination is depicted in image that is different from of the other and will be famous for its unique making it tourism attraction. Fifth, paying attention to culture by supporting cultural development into tourism object that can be in interest to tourists. Uh, Finally, I agree with the existence of cultural tour because it can be ascertained that cultural in every tourist place is different. So we can see Japan where they sell their culture and success to foreign countries. So thank you for your attention and see you goodbye.